Hello friends, welcome to GreyPot. Today we're gonna make the special royal dessert called as Shahi Tukda. And in some places it is also called as double ka Meetha because this special dessert more on the sweeter side. Shahi means royal and the name Shahi Tukda for this sweet completely worth it. Before we move on, click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to GreyPot and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever I post a new video. First, heat some ghee in a pan and fry the bread slices. You can cut the bread in any desired shape and fry them until both the sides turns beautiful golden brown color and turns crispy. Once it is ready, take it out from the pan. Now soak some saffron in warm milk and keep it aside. Now into a pan, add half cup of milk and bring it to boil. Now add 1/4 cup of condensed milk and boil it for a couple of minutes. And you have to continuously stir it to avoid burning. And while stirring, don't forget to scrape the sides of the pan as well. Now add the saffron milk and again boil it for some time. Now you can see the milk has become really thick and our Rabdi is ready. Allow it to cool down. Now into another pan, add half cup of sugar and half cup of water and boil it till the sugar is dissolved. Now take a serving bowl, add the Rabdi and take the sugar syrup and take each bread slices and dip it in sugar syrup and place it on top of the Rabdi. You can also soak these bread slices in Rabdi for serving. But if you are serving it in this way, you will get the bread slices more crispier. Garnish it with some chopped nuts. And also some saffron. So here it is. The royal and rich Shahi Tukda is ready. This dessert is perfect for any big or small occasions. Or even you can make it at home when you feel like having something sweet. So give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and leave me a comment if you like my recipe. You can watch more videos from our channel GreyPot. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you.